guys, welcome to our tutorial. Today I will introduce you how to install Smart Eyes laser handpiece and applicator. Smart Eyes is a high-powered physical therapy equipment for fast pain relief. And now I will show you how to use the applicator and the installation of the applicator. This one is spacer one for non-contact treatment. The sport size is 10 millimeter. We can install it to the handpiece very easy. Okay, already. We can also change it. This applicator. This one is a 20 millimeter diameter massage ball, massage lens. It can be used for large area massage treatment. There's a big discount for purchasing Selenium machine during March purchasing festival. Follow our store, you can get $100 on orders over $5,000. Watch our live stream and get more surprise.